the first exercise does the kidney, which works on the spleen, is good for diabetes.
No. The first exercise, when you extend your foot and you bend over,
Yes.
when you extend the left foot and bend over, you're doing the kidney meridian
Okay.
and the right kidney. When you extend the right foot, you're doing the right kidney meridian and the left kidney organ. Now, when you go to the sides and you put your elbow in the groin, you're doing the bladder. So you're doing the bladder organ and the bladder meridian, because the last point on the bladder meridian is on the little toe, which is bladder 67. So this exercise is specifically for kidney and bladder organ and meridian, but it's also used to recover and reverse diabetes.
Both of them together.
Both together. That is correct.
Bladder, kidney,